stand back out of the way. Here, let's go up here. He's gonna have to back up and come down. There you go, there you go, there you go. Get it, get it, get it. Go passenger. He's gonna have. I don't want to walk up. There you go, there you go.
Just keep going.
Whoa, hold on. Stand back. Watch it. He's all right. Cadence, I'm gonna go up in. Stay here. It's okay, Haley. Hold on, Haley. If you can go a little bit more passenger, you got more bite, but then you're gonna have to do a sharp driver to go around that. It's like you gotta get around this one that's making you slide, is this turtle-sized rock right here, but then you're gonna have to cut it right over into those roots to get it up there. Like, so literally, passenger, and then when I scream driver, you're gonna be above this rock that's hanging you up. And you're gonna wanna cut it hard driver when I tell you to. There's nothing to, yeah, there's nothing to lay down for you. You've got it smoothed out right here. This is the rock. That one. And then you want your tire to go right up there. So you got to get over that. Oh, I didn't see that. Shit. There you go, there you go. Now, get ready. Almost. Yeah, I didn't see this over here. I wish there was something I could lay in that for you. Shit. There you go, now driver. Whoa, 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 yeah. Fudge. You want me to set a rock in that divot? That about made me piss. Man. Yeah, it's hanging you up over there. I swear I think if I laid a rock in that, you'd be able to get over it. Oh, he almost went, man. You were on your spare, bro. You were on the spare, man.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah, I got the whole fucking thing on video. I'll email you, man. Hey, that where your front left tire is right now is what's totally hanging you up.
Hey, shut up.
Shh. That's what's totally hanging you up, because when you get over that, this tire is slamming into this rock right here, and you did it exactly right. You went up, but unfortunately your momentum bounced you over this rock that I'm pointing at right there, and your front went up in the air prior to you being able the thing to get over this would have to have your tire right pointed in this direction to go up that way. And I don't think with those roots there you can do it, man.
Not with this short wheelbase.
Not with that short wheelbase. You're not going to be able to. I don't think, unless we laid something in there, and even then, you got more cojones than I do, because I wouldn't.
Oh, I love it. Man, that was awesome.
That was fucking awesome. I got the whole thing on video, dude.